Hey guys, I'm getting ready to head to Aldi's real quick, and I want to take you in and show you a few gems in the store. Anybody who does keto already know Aldi is bae for keto. It's so many different snacks, so many different food options that they have that are keto specific. Makes it easier for you to grab snacks, makes it easy for you to do your grocery shopping. So yeah, come with me. Starting with the number one food item for keto, avocado lovers, where y'all at? Ever since I started eating kava, I love these mini cucumbers for my salad. Definitely gonna try to make it Persian one day. While fruit is not encouraged on keto as it's high in sugar, berries are approved. Blackberries are my favorite, but then there's always strawberries and raspberries too. Aldi gives you a variety of cauliflower pizza, which has become a staple for Friday night pizza nights in my household. I just started adding Brussels sprouts to my diet when I decided to start eating my age. Throw this with some seasoned chicken and boom, keto dinner. Lots of fresh vegetables to pair with the meat for an easy keto dinner. Grabbing this celery for a keto soup I will be making this week.
Ryan Little.
Again, another item that I have added since I decided to eat like an adult. I've been adding peppers to everything. I can't even imagine the amount of food items I have been sleeping on all my life. While bread is definitely a hell no on keto, Aldi has tons of keto bread options. Like honestly, I have found no other store that has this amount of variety. Typically, they have keto bagels, but clearly they can't keep those in stock. Keto wraps come in handy for sure for breakfast, lunch, and dinner options.
Ryan Little.
These loaves are my go-to when I'm not fasting and craving a breakfast sandwich. Let's get into these snacks, starting with my fave. Can you see that carb count? I believe that it's 3 to 4 sticks per serving, but don't quote me. have stayed away from crackers in the past on keto. However, there are a few options I might try. Like these, yeah, they may go perfect with my salmon and spinach dip. Or even these. Are you a cheese lover? These options seem endless and feels like more of a variety than your average grocery store. Now, I have never heard of cauliflower dip, but one thing for sure and two things for certain, no one does creative keto like Aldi. Pickles are another go-to snack for me. For those who like spears, here is a great option. However, if you saw my video last week, then you know, I like snap, grab and go, pack of pickle slices. Comment below if you know any other store that has this amount of variety of keto bars and cookies. And I'm not talking about Amazon. I'll wait. So many girlies in the keto community love to do wraps with deli meat. Again, another area where Aldi is killing the game. Can't vouch for this just yet as I've never tried it before, but it's keto approved, so I stamped it. I'll give it a try and let you know. I almost missed the cauliflower rice. They have both plain and herb. This is also a staple in many of my recipes. I can go without bread, without pasta, but rice was a struggle, so at this point, I'm pretty much used to this replacement. And even when I'm not on keto, it's often cauliflower rice for me. I typically grab the plain rice as it gives me more flexibility with my recipes. Don't mind those hash browns. You heard me in video one tell you. My little toddler loves them. Okay, let's get into what actually made it home with me. I am currently only doing mini grocery hauls because 1, it keeps my fridge cleaner. 2, I can get a better idea of what I have. 3, I am more intentional about grocery shopping around my meal plan rather than just grabbing and tossing things. Because baby, have you seen these food prices? Last week, my bacon cost $9 a pack. When I tell you I came home hella mad, most of the items I grabbed are for my Italian sausage cauliflower soup. Recipe video coming soon. Another fave keto-friendly snack of mine is the sugar-free chocolate pudding. However, I eat these sparingly, like maybe 2 a week if that. It is a treat for days when I work out, as I believe it is about 5 grams of carbs. Anyway, all in all, make your list, head to Aldi, thank me later by sharing and liking this video and subscribing to my channel for more videos to come. Thanks, and I'll see you guys in the next video.